Alright, so this is just going to be a short little video of a repair session of my Patagonia Trio lead jacket. So this is a 3-layer Gore Tex jacket that I just bought very recently. This is brand fucking new. Brand fucking new. I took it out for the first time ever, went rock climbing, and I followed my friend, and darn, this guy, he went through this gully on in between granite rocks. It's really sharp, really rough. He jumped down. This is about, I think, 3 or 4 meters down, and he could land it. He's a tall fellow, and so he landed, and I thought, like, okay, maybe, you know what, I'll try it out as well. I followed his footsteps. I did little sidestepping. I grabbed onto a rock, but I think my foot slipped and I fell with my back against the rough granite wall, and I fucked up my brand fucking new Gore Tex jacket. Brand new. Don't worry, it's okay. Patagonia, they've got a very good organizational culture where every rip and tear of your Patagonia equipment is a story, so it becomes more valuable and all that bullshit. So instead of sending it back to them to repairs, I thought I'd do it myself. So I bought this Gear Aid repair tape. So this repairs tents, Gore Tex jackets, and you know, all sorts of stuff. Patching holes. This is sort of a DIY sort of thingy. So just gonna show you. I've seen a few videos on how to do it. Looks pretty easy. This is the whole tape that you have. So it looks here. Looks like I'm gonna patch, I think, probably 2 pieces. So there'll be 1 piece here and 1 piece here. Okay. So I want to make sure that this patch is at least 2.5 centimeters away from the scarred part. So this is the scarred area. I'm gonna do it at least 2.5 meters away from it, and same goes to here as well. All right, let's try to cut it out and see. I'll probably cut to the camera closer so you can have a closer look. Righto, camera is in place. As you can see, this is the damaged area. Go away, Smokey. Smokey's the cat. And I want at least this much, probably. I think this would do, hey? This doesn't look too bad. I'll just use probably the entire tape. Yeah, so I'll probably cut this much. So once I've measured my tape, yeah, and this is the thing that I'll be doing, it's important to cut the sharp bits away. So that's to minimize peeling off, right? So I'm gonna round up, try to cut away these round pieces as nicely as I can to minimize peeling off. See, that's, you want a nice round edge here, so I'm gonna do the same here as well. And I'll probably play some music in the background or cut this part out. You want to say hello to Smokey? Here's Smokey. This is my cat. Well, not mine. This is Ibs and Helen's cat. I'm just being a hobo in their house. Hey, I'm a pretty useful guest. I'm a great cook, so I cook dinner for them quite often, and I chop up some wood. It's winter time, so yeah, I'm sure you've seen my other videos of me chopping up some wood for fun. There we go. See? Perfect round patched shape. Okay. Take that out. Probably want to get all this cat hair away. All this freaking cat hair. So this is it. This is where I want it. And probably the other patch would be here. But you know what? I'm just gonna show one. I'll do the other one myself. Just want to get all the sharp parts away. You wanna, no peeling, absolutely no peel. Any sharp edges, get rid of it. Right on. Now before I do that, it's important to just clean the area of some dust and grime and dirt. So you want to minimize bubbles and air bubbles and whatnot. Want to clean that part sufficiently. I might want to do one more layer underneath just to add more protection. We'll see, we'll have a look. Okay, probably once enough. Hey, also so once I've done that, I'll just cut off all the pieces that's been cut off, sliced off. See all these little pieces that's hanging out, so maybe I can just cut those off. There we go. So I don't know how well this will hold against the rain, but it's only my sleeve, so it's not really that important. I mean, I'm still pretty I still feel pretty shit about it because it's my brand fucking new Gore Tex jacket from Patagonia, or Patagonia. Anyway, so now it's clean. You want it to look like that. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. Now I'll wait for it to dry out. Yeah, it's probably dry. Hey, so just to double check, clean dry surface, got patch around corners, remove backing, apply pressure from the center out, store tape in bag, durable piece, machine, which is machine washable as well. Anyway, let's do this. Let's double check the size. Roll this out a little bit more. I want a complete flat surface here. Okay. And this is what I want, right? This is what I want. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Let's do it. Peel. I'll just peel one layer out first. Maybe I'll peel both of them out. This is the way. Oh no. Shit. Be very careful when you handle with things like this. Alright, save. Okay. From the inside out, eliminate as much bubbles as you can. I'm gonna concentrate on the right hand side first. There we go. And now on the left side, oh, there's a little bit of a fold here. I'm gonna try to see if I can cut that fold out. Sides out. There we go. Save. Fuck yeah. There we go. Peel this out. And now this part. But I'll do that later. I don't need to show you twice. A little bit of a sharp edges there, but I think she's good. There we go, good as new. Yeah, look at that. Voila. Whoa. Oh my god, Jesus. Are you okay? Alright, I almost dropped the camera there. Anyway, that concludes this video of how to repair your brand fucking new, oh excuse me, Gore Tex jacket. Kinda looks cool, hey. Put it on and see how it looks. Look at that! Elbow patches. Isn't that cool? It's very cool. Looks alright. Looks like it'll stick. Hey. Should I iron it? I don't know. Does it say do I need to iron this? Star and tape back, apply pressure from the center out. For large repairs, apply patches in both sides of the material. So I guess I'd have to do it on the other side as well. Yeah, alright, so maybe next part I'll do the other side. Pause that video. Alrighty, so I found out that you can't patch the inside of this Patagonia jacket because there's some microfibers here, the wicks sweat. So I tried doing it just now with this, but it peels off pretty easily, so you can only patch it from the outside. But you know what, it's fixed, it looks good, it's fine. And there you have it. That's how you patch up a Gore Tex jacket.